guys, welcome back to my channel, and today Born Pretty has sent over a couple of polishes for me to try, so I am going to give them a try. I have used Born Pretty polishes in the past, so it's not a new brand to me. However, these polishes are new to me. So the first one we have is Pure Pink. Ooh, that's a really pretty color, and that's gonna look really good on my skin tone. I love this color. This might end up being my favorite color out of all of them. Like, look at how pretty that is. That's one coat. All right, next up we have, oh, I messed that up. So Pure Pink Series is the name of the collection, and this is Brit Sheer, the one I just did, and this is Miss You. Very, very lovely pale baby pink. If you're having a gender reveal party, you know, I'm just saying this would be like the perfect color. I would recommend 2 coats with this one. So next up we have Sober, and it is this pretty gray. This is a medium gray, which would actually complement those pinks. I wonder if that's why they put it in a collection. Ha, get it? Okay. Really pretty gray. I'm pretty sure that says silver. I'm still going silver flowers, so if I got that wrong, I am so sorry. Ooh, this is a really pretty gold glitter though. It is definitely not opaque, so you will need a couple coats, which is fine. Most gel polish glitters are not. But this is very pretty. Next up is a blank one because there is no label on this guy, but it's white, so no worries. This is a very pigmented white. I'm wiping some off my brush. You're definitely gonna want to do some thin coats with this one because that is pigmented. All right, last one is Far in the Future. And this is, I would say this is like a mauve purple, like a taupey mauve purple. That's the best way I can describe this color. And I recommend 2 coats with this one. All right, overall, I think this is a beautiful set. I think this is a good transition from winter to spring, and then maybe early fall when you kind of want to get something a little bit more dusty. And that's what I really like about these colors. They're a little bit more dusty, and I like cooler toned colors in general. So this is right up my alley. This is them matte. Again, I am not matting the bottom of the glitters because it makes the other side look dull. All right, Born Pretty has been generous enough to provide me a coupon code, so I will go ahead and have it at the bottom of the screen and linked down below for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye. All right, you guys know I like to put those dots on my polishes on the top if they are not shown there. So I just take a old e-file bit and just take the top off. Like so. Clean up yourself. All right, and these are the dots that I use. I just get them off Amazon. I'll link them below. And what I like to do is place it on. Give it a second to level, and then I'm gonna cure it. Take off that tacky layer. Screw your bottle back on so you don't mess it up. Grab the dot These are pre-cut out dots, which I think my lights are too blown out for you to see. Put it on, pop it off, twist, and put your colored dot on. So you don't have to worry about it coming off. It's stuck on there with that little 3M. And then it doesn't damage your bottle if you like to display it. But this helps me be able to see what color is in my drawer because I like to keep mine in my drawers. So you can see the difference there.